Welcome to our tutorial on how to change the font style in your About section on WhatsApp. Let's walk through the steps to personalize your About with unique characters and font styles. To begin, open the Note app on your Android device. Here, you can access a blank canvas to create your customized About text. Next, open your Android keyboard and explore any special characters or font styles that resonate with you. Take your time to craft a unique About message that reflects your personality. Once you are satisfied with your About text, make sure to copy it to your device's clipboard for easy access. Now, navigate to the WhatsApp application on your Android device. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and select Settings from the menu. Locate your profile picture within the Settings menu and tap on it. From there, select the About option to access your current About section. To edit your About, tap on the existing text. This will allow you to make changes to your About section. Paste the copied characters or font styles into the About field. This will instantly transform your About text with the unique font styles you have selected. Lastly, remember to save your changes to update your About section with the new font style or special characters. By following these straightforward steps, you can customize your WhatsApp profile to stand out with personalized font styles and special characters. Express your individuality and creativity by enhancing your About section with this simple yet effective method.